Every day, more and more electric vehicles are hitting the road. People want to make sure that they're going to be able to charge those vehicles. These fast chargers will not only allow more drivers to make a stop in Albany during their travels, it is going to continue to encourage more gas drivers to make that switch, knowing that they have somewhere to charge and somewhere to charge quickly and conveniently. So as we continue on meeting Governor Hochul's goals, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, this is another really important piece of that puzzle.
This site in the Quackenbush area garage is the 38th fast charging station in the Power Authority's Evolve New York network. That translates to a total of almost 150 chargers that we've built throughout New York State. Add in the infrastructure being installed through public and private collaboration, and there are now more than 1,200 high-speed chargers statewide. In order for EV adoption to increase, drivers need to see EVs as a realistic possibility that will fit in with their lifestyle. Having access to public chargers in urban areas will show potential EV drivers that driving an EV can be as convenient as driving a gas-powered car.
Downtown here, really important. I think EV drivers know that when you're trying to find a place to charge, if you don't have home charging, it can be pretty difficult. And every new station like this one is crucial to making people feel more comfortable to make that transition.